So the next step is to put the displacer connecting rod and assemble it onto the Stirling engine. So I'm going to put the it doesn't really matter which way you put this, the insulator through it, but I'm going to put it on through the back side, just like this. Okay, and then I'll put the screw through the washer. Okay, so I put the screw through the washer and then through the insulator. Then I'm going to put the leg of the connecting rod through the hole of the displacer rod, and then put it into the tapped hole of the flywheel hub. And this one is just hand tight as well. And then just center the leg in with the displacer rod. Okay, so the engine is almost complete. We just need to time the engine, but it's looking very good at this point.